Another lawsuit filed against current and former city and county officials in Marion. It's part of ongoing fallout stemming from the raid of a local newspaper back in August.
KSN's Zena Taher explains this time a former vice mayor is filing suit over a search of her home. Zena?
Jeff, Julia, this is the fifth lawsuit that's been filed in connection to those raids, but it's the first that comes from someone who isn't an employee or publisher of the newspaper. In August, former Marion Vice Mayor Ruth Herbel says her home was searched by law enforcement because of what she calls a bogus warrant.
There was no reason for him to come to my house, but he did.
She believes she was retaliated against for criticizing the then mayor. Herbel says the officer told her she was suspected of identity theft because of a screenshot she had of driver's license records done by a Marion County record reporter.
There was a lot of fear in it. I've never seen a police officer at my door before, and it was a total shock to me.
The raid on her home, the Marion County Record, and the home of the newspaper's publisher and owner have now resulted in 5 lawsuits challenging current and former Marion city and county officials and law enforcement. The lawyer representing Herbel says the cases could be consolidated.
There's obvious factual differences between what happened to Ruth and what happened to the Record and its employees. So I don't know that the cases will get consolidated for the whole run of things.
A judge has set a hearing in the case for June 13th. We reached out to those who were named in the lawsuit that we could get a hold of. They either didn't respond or had no comment. Keep in mind, the Colorado Bureau of Investigation is looking into whether there's any criminal violations by anyone involved. The CBI said not to expect an update until late June. Here for you, Zena Taher, KSN News 3.